Are you a working professional and looking for a better career opportunity? Or are you a person who has got a career gap, 3 years or 5 years, you are out of job, you have started your entrepreneur journey and now you want to come back to the corporate? Or are you somewhere who are got stuck in the job and want to restart their career? If yes, you are at right place, my friend. So now just focus on 3 things that is going to help you to build the career. In data science space, as per the NASSCOM report, there is going to be 11.5 million new job opportunities. And trust me, this is one of the best areas that you can go and chip in, where you can command the massive hike and the best salary. But again, what you need to do for this? You just need to attend my 90 minutes masterclass where you can understand this entire thing, entire gamut and the spectrum and how you can transition your career into data science space. Understand this thing that there is no secrets behind this. It is a methodology that you need to follow, and once this is followed, you will be able to land up in a much better options out there. So just focus on that part and see how you can command that type of salary. Join my master class and you will be able to see all this magic in the 90-minute session itself. Hi, my name is Manoj Gupta. I am Solution Director and Chief Data Architect in one of the top-notch MNCs out there, and I am on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals and corporate employees to take their career journey to the next level and command a massive hike and command the salary they deserve. You now knowing what you are missing if you are not attending my masterclass. So make sure you attend, be on time and join me in a masterclass and see how you can transform your career into next level. Thank you.